Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Vivan Education. Today our topic is about BODMAS rule. Okay, so we'll see with an example first. Suppose I'm taking a question as 4 plus 2 into 7. How will you solve this one? So suppose I'm doing like this. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 7s are 42. Is one method. Or else we can do like this also. So first I'm multiplying here. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So in two situations we got the answers. So which one is correct? Which is 42 or 18? Which is correct? So to avoid this situation, we'll use the BODMAS rule. Okay, we'll see what stands for BODMAS first. So here B stands for brackets. B stands for brackets. So brackets are also three types. Simple brackets we are having, and curly brackets we are having, and square brackets. So whatever the question he will give, we have to perform first simple brackets, then curly brackets, then square brackets. Then O stands for off. O stands for off. Off we can again classify into three types. Those are we can use as a power, nothing but a squares purpose, or you can use a percentage or off. Percentage off we can use, and we can use also fractions. And some situations of also used as a multiplication. Okay, and D stands for we know division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. In a sequence order we had to do. So what is the use of this BODMAS means? Help us to find the sequence of operations. So now we will come to here. So according to BODMAS we have to solve this one. Now what is it here? Brackets of, here brackets nothing is there, off also not there, division not there. Is M is there. M means what here? Multiplication. Here we have the multiplication. 2 7s are 14, and we are having 4 plus. After multiplication we are having addition. Yes, so now we have to add 4 plus 4, 14 plus 4 is 18. So the answer is what here? 18. So even though we are getting the two answers, so the process we had to go with the BODMAS rule. So according to the BODMAS rule, 18 is the correct answer. Okay. So we will see some example. It is very useful video to from class 5 to any competitive exam. Okay. Suppose I am taking example like this. So 7 plus, taking square brackets, 20 minus, in some curly brackets, 3 into 2 plus 5 minus 1, and the closing brackets like this. Suppose solve this question. So how will you solve? So according to the BODMAS rule. So first of all, see we having here three types of brackets. So first we have to simplify the simple brackets. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So 7 plus 20 minus 3 times of how much we after solving how much we got here? 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 minus 5 is 6. 6 I writing as it is, closing, completed. Now we have to perform the curly brackets. So 7 plus 20 minus 3 6 are 18. So curly brackets are completed. Yes, these are square brackets. Now 7 plus, now we have to perform what? Square brackets. 20 minus 18 is what? 2. So we complete total operation. Then last case we have to do addition. 7 plus 2 is 9. So answer is what now? 9 is the answer. Okay. So taking another example. So I'm doing like this. So 20 into 10 plus 500. Now we'll take a divide here. Divided by some curly brackets 200 minus 100 plus 50. Suppose I'm taking an example like this. So here we are using here which operation here? Division operation also we are using. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we had to complete the brackets. Simple brackets, then curly brackets, then square brackets. So first outside I'm writing same 20 into 10 as it is plus. So solve this one. Simple brackets. 100 plus 50, 150. So first I'm writing as it is 500 divided by 200 minus this is 150. Now second step, again 20 into 10 plus 500 divided by, now we have to perform what? Curly brackets. 200 minus 150 is 50. Now 20 into 10 plus 500 divided by 50 how much? 50 tens are. So 10 will come. Now again, so now we complete the brackets. Brackets after what we have to do? Multiplication. 20 tens are 200. Yes, isn't it? Plus 10. Now we have to perform the addition. 200 plus 10 is 210. Next, I am taking example as a 13 1 by 2 minus 5 2 by 6 into 6 divided by 2 2 by 3. So in this case I am taking a fractions. So how will you solve means? So first everything will convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. Then first we'll solve the brackets. So 13 to the 26. 26 plus 1 is 27 by 2 minus 6 by 30. 30 plus 2 32 by 6 into 6 divided by 3 to the 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 3. Now I am solving the brackets. So here 6 will be cancelled. Then 27 by 2 minus 32. So division. If you do reciprocal of division, division becomes what? Multiplication. Nothing but into what it becomes 3 by 8. According to the BODMAS rule. So we have to perform the division. So now if you observe here, what will become here? 8 ones and 8 fours. Yes, isn't it? So 27 by 2 minus 4 3s are 12. So here fraction of taking by 1, taking the LCM. 2 2 are like fractions, numerator will come same as it is same, and 1 table 2 times 2 12s are 24, and 27 minus 24 is how much? So 3. So 3 by 2 is the answer. So like this we had to perform any problem by using the BODMAS rule. So BODMAS rules are BODMAS rule. What it will do? It will help us to find the sequence of the operation. So according to the BODMAS rule, we can find any problem. Okay. I hope you got it. Thank you so much.